Hi, I'm Patrick DeFeo with eXp Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to 11384 Walden Loop in the highly desirable Kingsfield Lakes community of Parrish, Florida. This beautifully updated home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 3,100 square feet of living space on a premium corner cul-de-sac home site. One of the first things you'll notice is the stunning custom stone exterior, giving this home a distinctive luxury appearance and incredible curb appeal. Inside, you'll find new flooring throughout the downstairs living areas, updated appliances, crown molding, and a spacious floor plan designed for both everyday living and entertaining. With multiple gathering spaces, a large kitchen, and generous room sizes, there's plenty of space for family and guests. A major bonus is the newly installed solar energy system, helping reduce utility costs while providing long-term energy savings. Step outside and enjoy your private backyard oasis featuring a heated screened-in pool overlooking a peaceful preserve setting, along with a second-story balcony and sun deck perfect for enjoying Florida's beautiful weather year-round. Residents of Kingsfield Lakes enjoy parks, playgrounds, walking areas, a community pool, and convenient access to I-75, Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, Tampa, shopping, dining, and Gulf Coast beaches. The seller is also including a 1-year home warranty for added peace of mind. For more information or to schedule your private showing, contact me, Patrick DeFeo with eXp Realty at 9415-180708. I look forward to showing you this exceptional Parrish home.